open Filmora. Then come to Stock Media. Then AI Media. Here you will see Sports section. Just scroll down. And you will observe that all related to World Cup are here. So, I am using this template. Just simply upload your image here and click on Generate. And wait for a couple of minutes. Similarly, we will make some more. Result is generated here. You can watch in the My Files. Again, I will use this also. Now, I am adding it on the timeline and adjusting it accordingly. You can do it by your need. Then I will import some clips.
Pure football magic. Look at that unbelievable.
Now, come to transition section and then add football transition.
Look at that unbelievable. What a magnificent run from the unbelievable.
After adding transition, just come to the effects section and add football effect.
What a magnificent run from the Moroccan star. Pure football magic. Look at that unbelievable. Football magic. Look at that unbelievable. What a magnificent run. Unbelievable. What a magnificent run from the Moroccan star. Magnificent run from the Moroccan star.
Next we will add title. After adding background music, here it's look like now it's ready to export.